Hello everyone. Question is Universal Containers UC is looking to build a Canvas app and wants to use the corresponding connected app to control where the app is visible. Which two options are correct in regards to where the app can be made visible under the connected app settings for the Canvas app? Option A as part of the body of a Salesforce knowledge article. Option B in the mobile navigation menu on Salesforce for Android. Option C the sidebar of a Salesforce console as a console component. Option D included in the call control tool that is part of the OpenCTI. Correct answer is option A and option C. Question is Universal Containers UC is both in a Salesforce and Google Apps customer. The UCIT team would like to manage the users for both systems in a single place to reduce administrative burden. Which to optimal way can the IT team provision users and allow single sign-on between Salesforce and Google Apps? Option A build a custom app running on Heroku as the identity provider that can sync user information between Salesforce and Google Apps. Option B use a third-party product as the identity provider for both Salesforce and Google Apps and manage the provisioning from there. Option C use Identity Connected as the identity provider for both Salesforce and Google Apps and manage the provisioning from there. Option D use Salesforce as the identity provider and Google Apps as a service provider and configure user provisioning for connected apps. Correct answer is option B and option D. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is Universal Containers UC uses Salesforce to allow customers to keep track of the order status. The customers can log into Salesforce using external authentication providers such as Facebook and Google. UC is also leveraging the app launcher to let customers access an off-platform application for generating shipping labels. The label generator application uses OAuth to provide users access. What license type should an architect recommend for the customers? Option A Customer Community License. Option B Identity License. Option C Customer Community Plus License. Option D External Identity License. Correct answer is option D. Question is Universal Containers wants to implement SAML SSO for their internal Salesforce users using a third-party IDP. After some evaluation, UC decides not to set up my domain for their Salesforce org. How does that decision impact their SSO implementation? Option A SP initiated SSO will not work. Option B neither SP nor IDP initiated SSO will work. Option C either SP or IDP initiated SSO will work. Option D IDP initiated SSO will not work. Correct answer is option B. Question is in a typical SSL setup involving a trusted party and trusting party, what considerations should an architect take into account when using digital certificates? Option A use of self-signed certificate leads to lower maintenance for trusted party because multiple self-signed certificates need to be maintained. Option B use of self-signed certificate leads to higher maintenance for trusted party because They have to act as the trusted CA. Option C, use of self-signed certificate leads to lower maintenance for trusting party because there is no trusted CA certificate to maintain. Option D, use of self-signed certificate leads to higher maintenance for trusting party because the certificate needs to be added to their trust store. Correct answer is option D. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe.